We have a single element and a compound, and that's going to be a single replacement reaction. As soon as you've identified it as a single replacement reaction, you have to use what's called an activity series to determine will this reaction occur. So we're going to compare lithium to zinc, and lithium is here and zinc is down here. So because lithium is higher on the list, it's going to get a smile. Because zinc is lower on the list, it's going to get a frown. So we're going to put a smile for lithium, a frown for zinc, and a little ring for the bromide. Now, we want to have a happy couple. So because this is not a happy couple, this is going to switch the zinc and the lithium. So we're going to put zinc on its own instead, and then we're going to put the lithium with the bromide. And now we have a happy couple. So when you have single elements as a product, you have to verify whether or not it's a diatomic. Zinc is not one of our 7 diatomics, so it does not need a subscript of 2. When you form a compound, you have to make sure that the charges are balanced. So lithium has a +1 charge and bromide has a -1 charge. So we're going to do +1 versus -1, and these cancel out because they balance with each other. And so now we can balance the coefficients for the reaction. We have 1 lithium, 1 lithium, 1 zinc, 1 zinc, 2 bromides, only 1 bromide. So to fix it, I'm going to need a 2 here. That's going to give me 2 times 1 is 2 bromides. That has modified my lithium. I now have 2 lithiums. So to fix it, I'm going to put a 2 here. So we have 2 lithiums, 1 zinc, 2 bromides, and now our final answer is 2 lithiums react with 1 zinc bromide to form 1 zinc and 2 lithium bromides.